Our book recommendation for this week is A Grammar of Metaphor. It was written by Christine Brooke Rose in 1958. And it looks at a corpus of Old English literature, such as those works of Shakespeare and Chaucer, among others. And it looks at metaphor as a very simple definition, one word replacing the meaning of something else. And the book's claim to fame is that it focuses on the grammatical relationships between idioms of interest, not just the idea content or what they mean. And Christine Brooke Rose goes through the number of different forms that these idioms can take, and she analyzes the grammatical relationships between the words. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something introductory that's going to be based on more modern texts. Again, the book is called A Grammar of Metaphor by Christine Brooke Rose.